Hello again, Les Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to February 2024 Trace Jolie's kit reveal. So I'm a member of the design team. This is my second month and you guys, I am absolutely in love with this kit club. Okay, so price points, so affordable and excellent for the amount that you get. Right, okay, so I've got a few extras in here. Uh-oh. Oop. All right. I like my little snacky poos that I get. Kim is fabulous at curating kits. So this is everything I got. It's a 49th and Market one. I do actually need to do a little cheat here and go and see what goes with what, because I forgot. Don't be mad at me. Just love me. Just love me forever. That's all I'm saying. All right. Boom. Hold, please. I am so sorry. I should be way more organized. But, alas, I'm not. All right. So, this month, I am going to do the card kit again. Alright. So that is this kit. So this is the card kit. This is the scrapbooking kit. And then there's, this goes with it as well. So that is fun, 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 fun. Fun, fun, fun. Alright, so first we're going to go through the kit that I will be primarily designing with. But man, I pull this stuff in because it all goes. So this is the 49th and Market Ocean 6x8 mini collection pack. All right, you guys, I know I only have a little bit of 49th and Market, and that is because I have so much other stuff that I just never actually focused on buying this. And then with the kit clubs, woo. So we have, here's the paper, the cover sheet, words hard. And we have a beautiful tone-on-tone. We have a fun mixed media. And you guys, thickness. Oh, gorge. Okay, so you do get 2 of each. All right, so that's good to know. So we've got this guy. And there's the back to him. The fun little strip up there. Oh, isn't that one glorious? And the back to that. And you guys know, it's like Kim curated this kit for me because I always gravitate towards blues. Is that the same one? No. For a minute, I kind of thought I was, messing up. So you've got them going both ways. Oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous this is. And you can't beat the price. I'm serious. Okay, I feel like that should have been 2, but it's not. Alright, so there's our papers. And then we have all these fun little elements. Oh, look at this. This is like... Oh, hold on. Look at this. Oh, I am in love. So this is going to add so much to any layout or card or junk journal. Look at how cute. It's like a old little, it's so cute. Like a Sears catalog. That's what I was going for. Words are hard. And then we've got some little birdies. These are handmade flowers. Oh my God, look how gorgeous those are. And then, of course, we get our fabulous little laser cuts. Let's see if I can... I don't really want to take them out. So there's some fun little florals in there. And then we get all kinds of fun little added embellishments, right? You guys, this is a perfect junk journaling mixed media kit. Oh, shaker. Look at all of this. Oh, a little envelope. Another little envelope. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is that kit. Oh, I cannot wait to start playing with this. Gorgeous. Okay. Stop singing to yourself, Becky, and move on. All right. I am in love with those little sheets of paper, though. These are also good to make like little wall art hangy thingamabobbers. She also offers a mixed media kit. So I can't wait to try one of those out. Because you guys, you know, mixed media, my thing. Alright, and then this is the scrapbooking kit. So this is the Art Options? I don't know. Alina 12x12 collection pack. Okay. Oh. I'm going to get rid of that and then put it in a Ziploc baggie. Alright. We're going to need some room to move. So we've got a whole bunch of elements to fussy cut. We get 2 sheets of each. So this one, I can totally see like fussy cutting this out and creating that as an embellishment, and then fussy cutting out the butterflies. Oh my god, I love this paper. So there's that one. Oh, it's not this, it's not 2. Okay, hold please. So the back side of this one is just tone on tone blue. I am digging that very, very deep blue color. Oh, it's like the ocean. And then I just feel like it's 2 sheets, but it's not. And then it looks kind of like a canvas or burlap. Oh my word. Yes, we could totally fussy cut that out. Use this as a border for, oh, I'm coming up with so many ideas. Gorge. Stripe, and it's like very mixed media distress. Let's put this in screen. Ooh, beautiful garland. So okay, I guess I should tell you, the first one was Alluring Moments, the second one is Exquisite, and then Dramatic, and now this is Garland, and another beautiful light color, but I am drawn to A side. This one is beautiful as well. You could do some, you could fussy cut all this stuff out. Another tone on tone of that deep, beautiful, it's like turquoise, but it's like lagoon. It's a lagoon color. Oh my goodness. And it's like distressed and mixed media. Oh, and pink. I like pink. I get really excited. Can you tell? And then we've got, that one is Flirty. This one was Peekaboo. I'm getting too excited. Happy Dancers. So that's kind of fun. With the little butterflies going up, and then tone on tone. I'm just in love with like this. I can't go over any more this way. And then this is Full Bloom. So you've got this beautiful floral cluster at the top, and then that beautiful coral color with the stamps at the bottom on that branding strip. So there's that. Let's see if we can somehow get all of this in frame. Okay. All right. Then we get Laser Cut Elements. Art Options. I don't know why I couldn't say that before. Oh. You guys. This is a stunning collection. You have got to head over to the Trace Jolie website. I'll have that linked down below, and pick yourself up these fabulous kits. They have not disappointed. And then this is just like a little fussy cut, so I can totally see myself cutting that out and creating shakers. Just saying. I just keep feeling like it should be more. Like it should be 2, because it's so thick. All right, let's put those back in there so I don't lose anything. All right, so we have that. Oh, I should put that way. All right, and then to go with it, We have these beautiful handmade little birdie florals, the little bitty ones. Whoop! Love it. And then that's like one big cluster, so that is phenom. The little laser cut chipboard wood veneer, I think it's chipboard, gate, so you could like totally create a scene with the flowers all riding up on the gate and having some of those laser cut pieces come from behind. And then two very, very glorious like photo bookends. That's what I'm going to call them. And that is that kit. So seriously, you guys, you have got to head on over to the shop. Give Kim some love. Head to the Facebook group. Like on the YouTube channel here if you're finding us for the first time on the Trace Jolie YouTube channel. If you're on my personal channel, head to the Trace Jolie, like and subscribe, because you will see so many more fun things. But you've got to go get yourself this kit because I am in love. And I don't want you to be jealous that I have it and you don't, so you have got to go get it. And like I said, give them some love. And I'll see you later when I'm creating with this fabulous 2 kits. Thank you guys so much. Bye for now.